Top 10 Coding Mistakes Beginners Do. Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing the top 10 beginners coding mistakes. Learning to code can be a challenging but rewarding journey, and it's common to make mistakes along the way. Today, we'll be covering some of the most common mistakes made by beginner coders and how to avoid them. Coding can be a complex and multifaceted field, and it's important to understand and avoid common pitfalls as you start to develop your skills. Let's take a look at the top 10 beginners coding mistakes. Number 1. Not commenting your code. Comments are an important tool for keeping your code organized and making it easier to understand. Make sure to comment your code as you write it, to help you and others understand what's going on. Number 2. Not using descriptive variable names. Choosing descriptive and meaningful names for your variables will make your code easier to read and debug. Avoid using single-letter or cryptic names. Number 3. Not using functions. Functions are an important tool for organizing and structuring your code. Make sure to use functions to break your code into smaller, more manageable parts. Number 4. Not testing your code. Testing is an important step in the coding process, and it's important to test your code regularly to catch bugs and ensure it's working as intended. Number 5. Not using version control. Using version control tools like Git is an important way to keep track of changes to your code and collaborate with others. Make sure to start using version control early on in your coding journey. Number 6. Not debugging effectively. Debugging is a critical part of the coding process, and it's important to learn effective debugging techniques to find and fix bugs in your code. Number 7. Not following coding standards. Coding standards are a set of guidelines for writing and organizing code, and it's important to follow them to ensure your code is consistent, readable, and maintainable. Number 8. Not using error handling. Error handling is an important way to handle unexpected situations in your code and prevent crashes. Make sure to include error handling in your code to ensure it's robust and reliable. Number 9. Not optimizing your code. Optimizing your code is an important step in the coding process, and it's important to make sure your code is running as efficiently as possible. Number 10. Not staying up to date with new technologies. The field of coding is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay up to date with new technologies and trends. Make sure to regularly learn and explore new technologies to continue to improve your skills. So, as you can see, these are the top 10 beginners coding mistakes. By understanding these common mistakes and taking steps to avoid them, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful coder. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on coding and technology. Take care, and until next time. Thanks for watching.